What does this mean?
But I want to know what that statue's all about. The silent treatment, huh? I have a solution for the silent treatment. Ah!
I'm here too. Oh. Oh. Oh.
I'm now gonna make you my slave for nature walks.
What are you doing wandering around by yourself at night? I knew you brought him back to life. You're gonna follow us around to prove your loyalty, and if not, we'll kill you where you stand. Guys, we're here for Nature Walks 5. And look at this sign, no dumping allowed. Looks like some felons dumped here. Delinquents. What does it mean? Wait, what is that? Puchikeu Opala. I need to find a weapon. Hey guys, so an egg. It's a turtle. Guys, it's quite wet and cold out here, but we can't stop now. I'm too obsessed with this mission. We're gonna seek shelter in that abandoned cyclone over yonder. Hopefully it's warm. And we found an egg. This is great protein. Here we go. Look, I stepped in it. That is droppings, and so is back there. You could tell that maybe a raccoon or something has taken shelter in here, and I stepped in its scat. Guys, we found this blown out tire and oysters. You know what tires and oysters mean? We're getting closer to the temple. Guys, we're trying to cross this creek right here, but it's very muddy. You can tell that the deer were slipping. So we're gonna have to find another way over this trench. Let's go. Guys, not quite sure where to go. There's thorns right there. It's very muddy. I'm trying not to slip. Ouch, thorns in my hand.
Alright, I'm down safely. Now I have to hop over. Oh god, it's so wet over there. I don't think this is a good idea. It's all wet right there. No matter what, I'm hopping in water. We must find another way. Looks like there could have been a bridge here. Could have, meant to say that. Maybe bridge, but it's not gonna work either. Looks like there's some drier area up there. That's what we'll have to cross. Guys, don't do this at home. Frick frack, am I right, bros? Oh God. Ooh, right there. And that's how you live in Alabama. That right here is a drainage area, and we're stepping in these tar pits. It's very muddy. Don't do this at home or in general. Another tire. We're getting closer and closer by the minute. And right over there, you can notice a white building in the distance. Last tire, guys, right back here. But it led us to this freezer box that somebody was murdered in. There's more of it. Some maniac, crazy madman came through here, destroying everything. Look, there's beverages for the person who was stuck in there to survive. What a shame. Hey y'all, so we came across this pile of lumber that looks like it was once Old Man Jenkins' home. And that's the real talk. It's gotta be around here somewhere. If only there was a clue. Oh, an X. I can't find it alone.
Goo goo gaga.
We have to make a sacrifice and the weapon will reveal itself.
Mama, no!
I'm gonna shoot someone in the goddamn head. He needs a burial. He died fighting for you.
He died because of carelessness. It was his fault. We can't change that, and we've got work to do. What the hell was that?
Vitamin C. Shoddy like melody.
All right, I'll give you one more chance.
You've never been nice to us. You've always commanded us around to do your slave work. You make us get groceries. You've only done this because we're scared of you.
Yeah? Well, if any of you want to kill me instead of him, do it. If not, kill him. Something's happening. Yes!
How do I know it works, Papa?
I'll show you. Punch yourself in
Breast
the head.
milk! Oh.
fuck? I don't even fucking fuck myself.
Let's go get those Frog Talk scoons.
God. 2.
God, don't say God's name here. We don't.
That's
really
true.
use
We
it.
don't. What happened to him?
Are you stupid? He got nailed to a cross.
No, after that.
He got reincarnated.
In Frog Talk 6. God died. Why isn't he here?
That is a really good question.
Alright, forget it. We've been here for months. Maybe.
No wait.
Remember when you dug that tunnel trying to find the way out of here?
Yeah. Except that wasn't me. That was Steve. He did the wrong way out of here.
Steve. Steve was good. That's my point. I rolled a 6.
Alright.
Steve was good. I hate this game. I hate this paper. I hate you, Daniel. I'd rather be. Why can't Nate just. 4. Okay.
Why can't Nate?
Yeah. Why'd I have to be here with you? I didn't even know who you were until you just appeared in Frog Talk 6, and now I'm stuck in a room with you for 8 months.
I rolled a 5.
Okay. 2. You get the point.
I rolled a 5. What are you talking about?
If you roll a 5 and I get a 2, you get a point. I rolled a 2. Your roll.
Okay. That is a 1. So I get the point.
A 1 does not beat a 2.
Yes, it does.
No,
Five beats
whoever
6.
rolls-
5 beats 6.
No,
4 beats 5.
6 is the bet because it's whoever gets the.
No, it's not.
Excuse.
It has
Stop.
the most die. It takes
Whoever-
up the most red. On the die, see the die is red. There's 6
No,
red.
numbers. We're looking at numbers.
Oh. Dude, I thought we were playing tic-tac-toe. I'm gonna be real. I'm being serious. I'm being serious.
So tired of being stuck here with you, Daniel.
Go through, boys. Don't be scared.
What? Where will that take us?
A second chance. Make it end differently.
Who are you?
All in good time. Don't get hasty.
What?
What is... It's a name.
It's like a time machine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is it like a hot tub time
Should
machine?
we go? That could be a way out of here. I'm really tired of being in this room.
Don't touch me.
6 feet apart, Daniel. Alright, should we take Mr. Snowman?
No, man.
No. He likes it here. Alright, should we go through? I mean, it's right there. Alright, go.
Yeah, I'll go
No, I'll go first.
first.
No.
No.
Excuse me.
Hey, I won the game. Fair and square, dude.
Well, I don't know. I don't think a 2-1 beats a 2. Alright. Bye, Mr. Snowman. See you on the other side.
Hi, and welcome to Frog Talks. Frog Talks! Frog Talks! The show where we only talk about frogs.